All right, take two with audio this time. Hey, this is the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 10th of July. First go around, we had no audio. I just noticed that for some reason. But anyway, you can hear me now. The bottom line is things look kind of calm here for a while. We've got a few isolated showers this morning over extreme South Alabama, and that's where the better chance of any showers will be today. For the rest of the state, a really good push of dry air coming in here. Let's go to the upper air look around the country this morning. The ghost of Beryl is up there approaching Michigan. And again, that's helping to sharpen up a trough over the eastern states, pushing in some dry air today. We'll check the radar composite early this morning, about 5 o'clock. And again, you can see a few spotty showers over Mobile, Baldwin, Escambia, and Covington counties. The rest of the state dry, but the better chance of any showers today down in that zone from Mobile to Dothan. Nice to see some 60s on the map early this morning. We've got 66 for Cullman and Jasper, 67 for Haleyville. That's a sign of those lower dew points coming in, but most locations are in the 70s. We'll check the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have an enhanced risk, again, with the remnants of Beryl over parts of New York and the northeastern states. Goodness, that thing has produced how many tornadoes? We'll find out next week after all the storm surveys are done. Also a marginal risk over parts of New Mexico and West Texas. This is tomorrow. Got a couple of marginal risks, one around Phoenix and one over the western high plains. And on day 3, no severe thunderstorms expected on Friday. Take a look at rain for the next 7 days. And again, it's going to be pretty dry around here. This is suggesting basically nothing for the northern half of the state between now and Wednesday morning of next week. Maybe up to a half inch near the Gulf Coast. And even there, showers should be fairly isolated. And we'll just see how the drought conditions do on Thursday. Tomorrow, the new drought monitor will be released tomorrow morning. But this is the one from last week. And you can see those darker shades of yellow on that map. That's a moderate drought beginning to creep in. Of course, we've had some pretty good rains, but it's been spotty over the past few days. We've had some folks with 3 inches, but some folks had nothing. Well, look at the tropics, how calm we have out there. We've got the ghost of Beryl that's between Indianapolis and Detroit. Of course, that's a non-tropical low, but it's just calm. That's the 2-day outlook, and this is the 7-day outlook. And like we talked about yesterday, it's a lot of this African dust off the deserts, the Saharan air layer, SAL. And again, that's going to mitigate any tropical issues for the next 7 to 10 days. But hey, August and September are coming. We all know that. So let's go through modeling. Model fans. This is the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. And you can see the trough north of the state. And again, that's the remnants of Beryl and a very dry air mass pushing in here. It will be a sunny day today. But Birmingham North, upper 80s. And that's with a sunny sky and lower humidity. It's going to be an amazingly pleasant day for July for the northern half of the state. And again, a few spotty showers, extreme South Alabama in the Florida Panhandle. Mobile to Dothan, this is the high-res HER, valid this evening at 6 o'clock. And again, you can see those isolated showers to the south and even down there, not that much rain. Tomorrow, pretty much dry statewide. Highs low to mid-90s. Humidity values stay low. This is Friday, a sunny day, mid-90s. The weekend, hot and dry with upper 90s in most spots, and the same thing on Sunday. And again, if we have any showers on Sunday, and there could be a few, the better chance over the far southern and far eastern counties if this works out. We'll mention isolated showers on Sunday, but again, probably not much rain. Monday just looks hot and dry, upper 90s. Same thing Tuesday. And a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 17th of July, got the ridge firmly in place. And again, that just looks dry for most of Alabama. So hopefully, you got a decent summer soaker over the past few days because odds of getting one for the next 7 days are just not good at all. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, July 19th. Again, the ridge is here, maybe a smidgen weaker, and that could open the door for a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms around the 19th, 20th, 21st. But again, that it's not going to be just a big soaking rain. We don't have that in summer here. The showers and storms we have are like that, random and scattered, unless there is a tropical system involved. Rain for Birmingham. Off the European ensemble. The mean, little between, 1.5 and 2 inches, the green line. That's between now and the 25th of July. A nice break from the heat today for the northern half of the state. This is for Birmingham, 89 today. We'll take that all day. And again, the humidity coming down is going to be great, but don't get used to it because we go up into the upper 90s this weekend and into next week. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, this is for July 17th through July 23rd. Temperatures above average if this verifies. We talked about the tornadoes in association with Beryl. This was one yesterday. This was in Mount Vernon, Indiana, a little west of Evansville, the far southern part of the state. And again, it's going to take a while to do all the storm surveys. Just goodness, countless tornado warnings issued. I say countless, you can't count them. Over 100 so far. Of course, a lot of those did not verify, but many of them did, obviously. And we'll know next week the number of tornadoes. It just seems like these that come into Texas at that angle and then kind of rehook into the mid-latitude westerlies are pretty big tornado producers on the east side. It kind of brings to mind Rita back in 2005. That one produced, I believe, 98 tornadoes, about 49 of them in Mississippi and many in West Alabama. But around here, nothing like that. It was a gorgeous sunset last night. Wow. If you have not seen all the images, go to my Facebook page, and you can see a whole bunch of them. I love that shot. That was taken up at Section, up on the mountain before you go down into Scottsboro, overlooking the Tennessee River. It's a beautiful vantage point up there, but the colors were just so impressive last night as the sun was going down across the great state of Alabama. Just absolutely gorgeous. And again, we're going to have some very calm weather here for a while. So today, going down to Tuscaloosa, going to be at Capstone Village, which is a retirement community. Looking forward to seeing everybody there. Tomorrow, I will be in Jasper at the public library for a program. I believe that's for adults. And then Friday morning, I will be in Springville for a summer program there in St. Clair County. And then Saturday, hey, a book signing. We're going to be in Piedmont, Calhoun County. This is going to be a good one. 10 to 1, we're going to be at Duggar Mountain Fudge and Coffee Company. And we're looking forward to this one. So listen, if you're in Piedmont, Jacksonville, Center, Leesburg, Spring Garden, Goshen, come on down. It's going to be great fun. It's on Main Street. Again, it's 10 to 1. We'll have our children's series, Benny and Chipper, great book, weather books for kids. We've got All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011, the generational tornado outbreak. Weathering Life, My Story. All the cool shirts. I think my favorite shirt that Crest Publishers came out with, it just says Weather Dweeb. I need that one. I'm going to get that one this Saturday. But again, 10 to 1, Piedmont on Saturday. Hope to see you guys there. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.